Elite School Almerat campus. Good morning 7th class. Today we are learning kinds of sentences based on meaning. It means कि मीनिंग के लिहाज से सेंटेंस कितनी टाइप्स के होते हैं. तो सबसे पहले इसमें हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज सेंटेंस कि सेंटेंस क्या होता है. सेंटेंस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स दैट गिव्स अस कंप्लीट सेंस और कंप्लीट थॉट अबाउट एनी पर्सन, about a noun or pronoun or anything. It gives us information about anything. For example, she is looking for spectacles. Now this sentence is telling us something about her. This pen is made of copper. This sentence is telling us about the pen. There are different types of sentences. The first one is assertive sentence. We can say it declarative or affirmative sentence. The second one is imperative sentence. Third is interrogative sentence. Fourth is exclamatory sentence. First one is assertive or declarative or affirmative sentence. Assertive or declarative sentence is used when the simple thought is given here or any negative sentence is used. It is called assertive sentence. For example, they have invited us. He has only done 2 projects. Now these are simple thoughts that are given here about them. His brother is not in the team. Now although it is negative sentence, but it is also the part of assertive sentence. Second is imperative sentence. This sentence is used when we order or command any person, when we request anything, or when we beg anything. For example, stop it at once. Now this sentence is showing the order. The second sentence, call the witness. Again, there is command here in this sentence. The third one is, please bring a glass of water for me. Now this sentence is showing the request कि मेरे लिए मेहरबानी से बराए मेहरबानी ग्लास पानी का ले आओ. तो यहाँ पे ये रिक्वेस्ट शो कर रहा है. The next sentence is interrogative sentence. ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें हम कोई सवाल पूछते हैं. For example, have you completed your work? What is your name? Now these sentences, in these sentences we are asking the questions. So these are called interrogative sentence. The last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences expresses. These sentences expresses a grief or joy or astonishment or fear or any wish. ऐसा सेंटेंस जो किसी गम का इजहार करता है, किसी खुशी का इजहार करता है, किसी हैरानगी को जाहिर करता है, या फिर कोई ख्वाहिश जो है उसका इजहार करता है, तो ये कहलाता है एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. और ये ख़त्म होता है, जब इसको ख़त्म करते हैं तो हम इसमें फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगाते, बल्कि इसकी जगह पे एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन यूज़ किया जाता है. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Now you can easily understand that this sentence is expressing joy. यानी ये सेंटेंस खुशी का इजहार कर रहा है. Alas, the leader is no more. Now in the second sentence there is a grief. ये सेंटेंस गम का इजहार कर रहा है. The third one is how long this tree is. Now this sentence is showing the astonishment, wonder, यानी ये उसका इजहार कर रहा है, हैरानगी का इजहार कर रहा है. How cute this baby is. Again there is wonder in this sentence. I will give you a worksheet. You have to identify the types of sentences and practice the same sentences on your notebooks. Thank you.